Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on here really quick and address one of the most common questions that I personally get, which is how often will I need to change out the HEPA filter on either my E3000X or my Swiss Air PAPR system. Now unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It's really going to depend on a couple key factors, such as how contaminated your work environment is and how often that PAPR is being run each day. Obviously if you're someone who's working in a more heavily contaminated environment for say 7-8 hours a day, you're likely going to have to change out that HEPA filter more frequently than someone who's working in a less contaminated environment for fewer hours each day. However, there are alarms on both PAPR systems that will let you know when it's time to change out that filter. Now there is one key trick to help extend the life of your master filter so that you'll have to change it out less frequently, and that is to make sure you're using the pre-filters. So the pre-filters stack right on top of the master HEPA filter, and they'll take the brunt of the hit, again extending the life of that master filter for you. I always recommend you change these out every day or two. Just pop it open, take a look at it. If it's dirty, toss it, put a new one in. So hopefully this video helped clear things up for everyone, but if you do have any questions on anything we discussed, feel free to write them in the comment section below and we'll get right back to you. Until next time, we'll see you soon.